Good morning. I just went to a lovely shop and I got all kinds of great things for the house and I wanted to show them to you. I got a set for the living room and it is perfect. It's just what I wanted. Look, we have a couch and they're kind of dusty. They're going to need some vacuuming. And there's one chair, 2 chairs, 3 chairs, 4 chairs, and 5 chairs. There was much more, so much more. Let's see what else. There is a little table, a coffee table, and a little side table, and an interesting table on a pedestal. Oh, the kitty! Meow. Here's the kitty. Meow. Look at this. Oh dear. Oh, kitty. Meow. We got this nice china cabinet with some bowls and plates. 1, 2, 3, 4. More glasses. Also, look in there. Inside the box. All sorts of teeny, tiny. Oh, yes, kitty. Spoons and knives. Woo. And they are so detailed. Look at them. Kitty. And there's so much more that I got. I'm very excited. I got a nice big bed. I didn't have one for the new house. Kitties love a fresh made bed, don't they? A very nice mirror with a little drawer in it. A little drawer in it also to put shoes or scarves. For the bedroom, we got a little side table with wee drawers in them that come out. It's handy to have that beside the bed for an alarm clock or a drink of water. Here's a rocking chair that I got also. That looks like it needs to be finished on the bottom, on the chair. But that's okay, I can do that, and I'm excited to do that. Kitties. And also, I got a big dresser that will hold jewelry and socks and shirts and pajamas and pants. All the little drawers open up. It's very nicely made. It's all a little dusty. Next time, I'll show you what we got for the baby's room and a few things more for the kitchen. See you next time on Auntie Lori's Playhouse. Oh, kitty. You're so cute.